it's got the same value. Let's check it with this. See guys how it is working now. See, completely it is working with it. And over here it is 100%. See guys, 32% is what my room rent expenditure, or what we have for total value, and 19% for food I have, what I have spent, and then petrol 0.7%, like 7%, and then for party 5%, and then credit card bills 0.27%. that is it's like 0.27% is like 2.7%. And then very less amount, less than 1% I have spent on phone bills, and then again less than 1% I have spent on total like gas bills, so on guys. This is how things works on, and absolute references works on absolute value, what we need the specific value or data from, it will work on that. And relative references or absolute references work like this, and relative references work from a pattern from top to bottom or left to right, and while absolute references work with a single value which it will conquer, or it will add or divide or multiply with a single set of cell, and it will take that cell only and it will give the value depend on that. This is, hope you got the session well, and if you have any doubt you can ping me on the comment section. I will be replying you on that. Thank you, have a great day, bye, take care.